Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tumbulia Tech Solution. I'm your friend and guide Asis Tumbulia. So guys, I am back with a new video and today's topic is acceptance testing. So as I already told you in my previous video that black box testing has many types. So acceptance testing is one of the type of black box testing. If you guys are new to my channel, then please go to my previous videos. You will learn the other testing that I have given the demonstration. I will give the link in the description. So before going to the main demonstration of acceptance testing, let me give you a brief introduction about what is acceptance testing. So it is an end-to-end testing done by the end user or customer wherein they use the software for real business for some particular period of time and check whether software can handle real-time business situation or not. It's called as acceptance testing. That means actually this is the testing which is done in the customer place. Once the software is released, means software is completely developed by the software company, then it is released to the customer. Then customer they just test the application once more so that they can get the confidence on the software that software is working properly, or for that they use their business scenarios, means whatever they have used. Like for an example, if any bank wants to develop their software and they have given their requirement to for developing a software to any company, and the software company has developed the banking application and given it to the customer. So in banking, you guys know, there what they use the account number, customer name, after that how much they have deposited, how much they have withdrawn money, these details. So like that the company will develop an application and they will give it to the bank. So the bank employees, what there in bank also there will be some IT engineer, one technical person will be there. So he will actually test that application. How he will test? He will just insert his whatever the data he has written in the his book or register. In register they might have written some account number, customer name, then how much he withdraw, how much he deposit, like this some detail will be there. So those data he will enter into the application and he will check whether this data is acceptable or not, this data is accepting by the application or not. So these are the real time business scenarios, and this scenario will be used by the customer for particular period of time. Means he will use this data for some 15 days or 20 days. It is about how long the project is or how big the software is. Based on that they will decide how many days they will do the acceptance testing. After that, when they get the confidence on the software, they will just use it for real situations, means their real data. So this is what the acceptance testing is. And to do the testing, there are five cases. Means how the customer do the testing, how they like to do the acceptance testing. So let me tell you those five cases. First case is, in that first case, the IT engineer that I already told, one technical person will be there in customer place. So that technical person is called as IT engineer. So IT engineer will use software for real business. As I told you, what is the real business or real business scenario? So use for real business some particular period of time and check software can handle real business scenario or not. So that IT engineer will test the application for their real business data and check for particular period of time whether the software can handle the real business scenario or not. This is one case how the acceptance testing can be done. Second situation is, here in second case, once the software is released or software is given to the customer, the IT engineer which is present, as I told, IT engineer is present in the customer place. will select some agents. Like if I give an example for agents means suppose in bank application, so bank employee will be there. So suppose for an example, I'll take a SBI bank. Okay, so in SBI bank there are many employees who just use the used to work in the banking means what they just whenever the customer comes they just enter their account number, how much money they deposit they just enter it, and or else how much money they withdraw, they just track each and everything. So these are the employees works. So if you guys think before they have the software, how they use this business, they used to register, they used to write into the register, right? So these those datas, whatever the data they have written in the registers, suppose they don't have that application, so how they will use, they will use the register, they will write their name, they will write the account number, how much money they are depositing or withdrawing, they will write and they will take their signature, right? That is the procedure. So when the customer was not aware of the software, then they used to do this works. But when they have given the real applications, means software, they have given the requirement to the software company and they have developed according to their requirement. After that, that software, whatever they have given by the company, so that IT engineer will give that software to their employees and they will tell how to use the software. And after that, from that time onwards, they will not use the registers. Whatever the person will come, they will enter their data into that application, like they will register their name, whatever the name is there, all the their personal details they will enter into the software. They will create a account for every users in that application. After that, whenever they withdraw or deposit the money, they will enter the data into that application. They will use this work for some particular period of time, and they will test whether that application is able to handle those data or not. So this is what the second scenario or second case. This is how the company will do the acceptance testing. Next, third case, and this is most preferable case, means most of the customer used to do this type of testing. Here, what the customer do in this case, the test engineer from company will travel to the customer place. Whatever the test engineer is there into the company, means software development company, they will travel to the customer place, and there the real business data will be there. Whatever the data they use to handle without application, those real business data they will give it to the software or test engineer. And by looking into that business document, the test engineer will do the acceptance testing. Means what in this testing you don't need any other things, like as I already told you in my previous videos that you need the requirement or you need the test cases or scenarios. Here it is not like that. Here directly we'll use the business data, whatever the data they had, those business data they will use, and after taking those business data, they will enter into the application. We will use those business data as an input for the application and check whether software or application is able to handle those data or not. This is how the acceptance testing can be done. This is one more case, and this is the most preferable case. Most of the customer used to do this kind of acceptance testing only. And next fourth case is, in this case, customer will travel to the company. Means whatever the customer is there, he will go to the software company along with business data, whatever the real time data, business data, whatever he is having, that data he will take with him and go to the company, and there he will sit with the testing team and he will ask testing team to do acceptance testing by looking into this business document. And after that, the testing team will do acceptance testing by looking into those business documents. So this is one case how you can do the acceptance testing. Next is, this is the last case how the customer can do the acceptance testing. In this case, customer will be involved in doing acceptance testing. Customer means what? Suppose you take some application, okay, some any game application, okay. So in the game application, the company will release those game directly to the customers. After that, they will just check whether it is accepted by the users or not. Means how much they are liking this application. So this is one way how the customer can do the acceptance testing. And one more fact I want to tell you guys have definitely done the acceptance testing in your life before. This is the fact, guys, but the thing is, you don't know how you have used this acceptance testing. I will tell you this at the end of the video. So till then, stay tuned with me and watch this video till the end. So let's start with the demonstration. So I will take the paint application. You have used the paint, right? So in this paint application, what every person has definitely done some drawing in their schools or somewhere, or for some person it is a hobby, or some person they just used to work in the painting. So you guys can relate to it. That's why I have used this paint application. So I will compare how this business data means what is the business data and how you can use the application to test the application for these real scenarios or real business scenario. So for that, I will take the paint application. So before using this application, let me tell you about, guys, you have used painting, you know how to draw, how to paint. So what are the things you need to draw or whatever the painting you want to do? So the main thing what you need is one drawing book, right? Means you need a white paper sheet or what white page, right? And you need some pencils, or some people do directly by brush paints, right? Or sometimes you draw some line, some shapes. This is how you do in drawing, and you just paint it with different colors. So for your painting, what are the things required? So what are the things you use? Those are called the business data. Means business data means whatever the data, whatever the things, components you use. So with that, I will just relate it how it is the business data and how to test it. So suppose you want to draw a rectangle. So for that, what you need? You need the scale, and or else some people can directly draw. You need a pencil, right? And those pencils, with those that pencil you can draw the rectangle. So for painting you need to draw the shapes, right? So you want, when this paint application was not present, you people used to draw in directly in hand. But the thing is, few people are experienced, few people are not experienced, they are new, so they have the hard time to draw things. But using paint application you can directly draw whatever you want. So suppose I want to draw a rectangle. Here I will click this tool, rectangle, and I will just directly draw it. So with this, the rectangle is drawn in the page. So suppose this border is little too thick, so I want to make it thin. So here is the size, guys. Click in there, you can make size as you wish, like this. So with this I have drawn the rectangle. So now suppose if I want to draw some other shape, like some circle, and with different colors I can choose the colors from here, as you can see. So this is what the painting is. Okay, so let me remove, and suppose you want to erase it. Here is the eraser. You can make it bigger size. You can erase it by this. So this is how you used to do painting in your drawing books, right? You use the pencils, you use the erasers, and you want to draw some shapes. So you need the pencils and you need the scales. So, but here the shapes are directly given. You can directly choose the shape and you can draw it in the page. So with this application, you can say your work is little accurate, and also whatever you are doing, it's easy for the people who don't even know how to draw, means who are new to the drawing. They can also draw with this paint very easily. So with this application you can say that our work has become more easier. So that is the purpose of the application. Whatever the works we feel like it is tough, with the application we can do it very easily. So this is what the paint application. So you can relate it, guys, right? Means where how you guys are used the drawing in your book, drawing book. You used pencil, you used eraser. Here is also pencil is there. Suppose you want to draw, write something. Suppose you want to draw some mountains. See, like this. Okay, let me erase this one. Suppose you have done some mistakes, so you want to erase. So like this, you can erase drawing. So suppose this is a sun, so you can draw it like that. Guys, I am not very good painter, so bear with me. Just for an example, I am showing you how you guys can do it. Suppose this is a sun. Yeah, I know this is not look like a sun, but you assume it this is a sun. Okay, so like this you can draw, and suppose there are some trees. Here, let me draw one more tree. One more. Let me put here. So, guys, you can relate it, right? This is how you used to draw, right? This is how you used to draw in your painting book, right? And with this paint I can draw in this application, and this is easy, right? And for the shape and all, you don't have to draw the shape, because if you draw a shape in your book you need a scale and compass you need to draw the circle. So it is little difficult, means it is not actually difficult for the people who really love to draw or who are experienced person, but the person who are new to the drawing, they need to, they feel little difficult to draw. For me also, because I don't like drawing much. So as you can see, this is what my drawing. So this is not that good. So that is how I want to tell you. Actually, I want to relate you. That's why I have choose this paint application, because every person, they have definitely done the painting in their past lives. Means when they were in the school, or few people are working with this kind of profession. So yeah, so that's why I have taken this paint application, so that you can relate it. what is the business data or business scenario? Business scenario means whatever the things we use, whatever the data we you use for the application. So acceptance testing means what? This testing means whatever the application they give to the users, so they use this application and this they should satisfy with their application. In this painting, in this app, I can draw the painting, I can just draw the shapes, I can choose different colors. So with this I can say this is a useful app. I can do whatever things I do in my painting books or drawing books, I can do everything in here also. So that's why I like this app. So this is what you have to do. Means this is why the acceptance testing is done, so that user can use that application and they just love this. Means they try to use this, and after trying this, if they feel like, yeah, this is a good software, yeah, I like this, so with this, you can say this acceptance testing is done. Means with this, people is able to accept this application. So that's why this is called acceptance testing. If people really like the application, like really like the software, and they accept to use that application, so then customers, the desire, the why customer develop these applications, whatever the application he developed, that is successful. That is why they use the acceptance testing. So with this, you can understand what is the acceptance testing means. So main thing is acceptance testing is not like whatever the testing I have told till now, like functional testing, integration system and system testing. Those are different type of testing. Those are actually the testing do to check the quality of the software. Here it's not to check the quality of the software. Here this testing is done so that people can accept this application. Means there should not be any faults or any errors. Means whatever we are doing, it is working perfectly. In this paint, we are drawing whatever the things, it is drawn properly without any problem. So that means this application is working fine and I can use this for painting. Okay, so I can also go for the new, I can open new also. In the drawing book, we used to just go to new, right? Means new page and we draw new painting. So here also I can take, suppose you have to save it, and here this is the new page. Here also I can draw something. Suppose this is a fall, waterfall. So this is how you guys can. Yeah, I know the painting looks very bad, but please, this is just for demonstration. Means how you can do. This is a new page, and I have drawn a new painting, right? New drawing. So this is how you guys, means this is what the application do. So you know what is paint. I know, guys, you know about this paint. I just want you to relate with the business scenarios. Means what is called as business data. Before introduced before introducing this app, what you were using? You were using simple drawing books, right? And in your childhood, you use the books, drawing book, right? There you use the pencil and pens or brushes to draw the painting, right? Same thing you are doing with the app, but this is little easier, right? because the shapes and all you don't have to draw it. You can directly click on the shape. So this is little, means what you can say, this is little easier than that drawing for the new person. Yeah, obviously who is beginner in the painting, for them experienced person, they feel like no, for them also it's useful, right? Because they can save their time, mm, by clicking these shapes, and they draw, because when they draw it will take little time, but here the shape is already given, you just click it and you just draw it, like just like this. So with this you can say, by using this application, it is easy to draw or it is easy to paint. So that is the main use of the application. So I hope you guys understand what I was trying to say. If you guys really didn't understand something, then please raise a query in the comment section. And whatever you didn't understand, please tell me. So I will give you the solution for that. So now I'm going to tell you when you guys have used this acceptance testing and when you have done this kind of testing. So I'm sure guys you have used trial version applications. So these trial versions are also called as beta version. So actually for every applications, whatever they released, at first they release the beta version. That means trial version only. And the people, you guys, you definitely use those applications as trial version. Even I also use some trial version applications. So those trial versions are actually released by the company so that customer can use those application, and company will get the feedback from those applications whether they are liking those applications or not. So with that they do the acceptance testing. That means you guys are doing the acceptance testing for the company. That is what the acceptance testing, as I already told you in my entire video, that acceptance testing is done by the customer, means you guys are the customer. So you just use this application and you tell the feedbacks, whatever you like, you just tell them in that feedback form. Whenever you use the application, sometimes you get the feedback form. There few people write something, few people don't write anything. So it's fine, but many people give the feedback. So with that, the company get the idea whatever the things it's working properly and whatever the fault in that application. So they improve that application by getting the feedback from you. So you guys are doing the acceptance testing. So now you guys can relate that you have also done the acceptance testing in your life. So this is what I was talking about, that you guys have definitely done the acceptance testing in your life before. So I hope you guys now know where and how you have used the acceptance testing. That's all for today. So I am ending today's video here. So if you guys like this video, then hit the comment button. Sorry guys, hit the like button and comment, and subscribe my channel. And I will recommend you guys please watch my previous videos, because if you want to know about testing, then you should know what is other testing also. So I will give the link in the description. And also if you want to learn the testing in detail, then please go to my blog. There every detail, everything about testing is given in detail, so you can learn there properly whatever the testing is and whatever the types of testings are there, how you can do everything. I have given in that my blog. So I will give that link also in the description. So that's all guys, I will see you in next video. Thank you.